If you want to learn how to delete frames in Krita, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple way to remove a single frame, as well as how to delete multiple frames at the same time using the timeline docker. This is really helpful if you're cleaning up an animation, fixing timing, or removing keyframes you no longer need. And if you find this video useful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Krita tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your animation project in Krita and make sure your timeline docker is visible. If you don't see it, you'll want to bring up the timeline so you can work with your frames directly. Once you're in the timeline docker, find the specific frame that you want to delete. This is the frame you no longer want in your animation. To remove just one frame, right-click directly on that frame inside the timeline. A pop-up menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, click Remove Keyframe. Krita will delete that selected frame from the timeline, and the change will happen right away. This is the fastest method when you only need to get rid of one keyframe. Now, if you want to delete several frames at once, Krita makes that easy too. Click and drag your mouse cursor across the timeline to highlight a block of frames. You can select a small range or a larger section, depending on how many frames you want to remove. Once your frames are highlighted, right-click anywhere inside the selected area. When the pop-up menu appears, choose Remove Selected Keyframes. That will wipe out all of the highlighted frames in one step, saving you a lot of time compared to deleting them one by one. This is especially useful when you're trimming an animation, clearing out mistakes, or reorganizing a sequence. Just remember to make sure you've selected the correct frames before deleting because once they're removed, you'll need to undo the action if you change your mind. So the process is really simple. Right-click a single frame and choose Remove Keyframe, or drag across multiple frames and choose Remove Selected Keyframes. That's all it takes to delete frames in Krita. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Krita tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.